What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So as you guys already know, 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 looking absolutely snazzy. This voodoo blue, man, when you clean it up, when you take care of it, is there anything better? I don't know. Also, I think I may have a little bit of a color problem with the blue. I'm obsessed. Nonetheless, we're not here to talk about my problems. The only problems we like to talk about are my spending problems, and well, we got a new modification. So as you guys can see, this side looks very, very nice, very, very stock-like with all the chrome, and hey, watch it. It looks very nice. But over here, it's a different beast. Over here, we look like we are ready to go to war. Absolutely sinister, and I couldn't have done it without these fog lights. Now, a company actually reached out to me a while ago and offered me these. And of course, because I was doing the chrome thing, I kind of turned it down. I reached out to them again. I was like, hey, look, I'm an idiot. Do you mind sending me these out and I'll review them? They said yes. And these fog lights I actually had on my 2020 TRD Sport, which is crazy because I drove that truck for around 25,000 miles, had those fog lights, never had one issue, so that's why I suggested to get them again. They of course will be linked down below, so if you're interested, take a look, pick them up for yourself. They don't break the bank, they make the truck look better, but they also perform way better. Take a look at this. So I recorded this yesterday where it wasn't too dark. You can definitely see the difference between LEDs and good LEDs, I guess you could say. So already, as you guys can see, that side is getting a lot more action, a lot brighter, versus this side, not so much. This side is lighting up a lot more area. As you guys can see, all the way over there to the right, it's even lighting up, versus this side, it may just be a splatter of light. The real money maker is up front when you look at it like this. What do you think about that? I was surprised. I honestly was thinking that these were gonna be better. I wanted to keep this look going, but I think I'm gonna have to swap them to be both blacked out just because of how good these actually are. Go into the description of this video, you will see it right about here. Order yourself a set, and in a couple of days you will get them because they are on Amazon. Once they arrive, it's going to look a little something like this. Pop these bad boys out. They actually come very well packaged. They got foam on top and then foam inserts. What I like is how well they're actually packaged. It makes you feel comfortable knowing that they took care of the product before it got to you. It also comes with a little film over it to protect the lens from any scratches, any scuffs. You already know the dealio. If you guys watch this channel a lot, you guys know I'm not the brightest bulb of them all. I don't even know if that's a saying. But when I tell you that this modification took me 20 minutes, pushing it, I really think I could get this done in 10 minutes. I mean it. I really like these fog lights. You don't have to break the bank. They look a lot better and they perform a lot better than your traditional LED as well as your stock halogen. So if you're in the market, consider them. I think they're absolutely beastly. Well, I'm repeating myself, but I'm just so excited. I literally am so excited. I work in an office and every so often I'm like peeking out my cubicle like, hey there, buddy. But it's just the little things that make that very, very big difference. Like right here, where you can't see chrome, absolutely stunning. Oh. This bee, literally. Yeah, I came to a new recording location. I didn't realize it was a train stop. That's my bad. Quick side note, something I'm very, very excited about. I went to a car wash. I was about to spend 20 bucks getting my truck washed, but I spent 40 to do it unlimited times for a month. Now, it's not really unlimited. You can do it once a day, but it was 4 days ago. I've washed the truck twice, and that's why the truck looks absolutely snazzy. Let me know what you guys think. It's just a lot more convenient for me, and the truck looks a lot better a lot more of the time, if that makes any sense. And that's going to conclude today's segment of us watching trains drive by. Absolutely forgot where I was, but I am very appreciative for the other train that is usually in my area that doesn't sound as loud here. Yeah, I appreciate it. We just got love from a Jeep. Where are all the Tacoma people at not giving me love? We got love from a Jeep? That Jeep's looking good too. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. I think I've experienced enough from this one parking lot. I am absolutely stunned. One, we got new fog lights that are looking absolutely snazzy. Number two, the train has made me more appreciative of my other parking spot. Number three, we just got love from a Jeep. I mean, come on. Come on. He said I was looking good. We already know we're looking good. No need to say it again. Number four, If you're interested in some new fog lights, definitely take a look down below in the description, as they will be linked down below. I don't recommend anything that's not worth it. I test things out, I use them, I abuse them. Before I let you guys know, 25,000 miles on my last one and they never failed me, and I don't think these are gonna fail me. If they do, I'll let you know. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know what you guys think down below about these new fog lights. Do you have them? Have you used them? Or what are you running? But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. I'm honestly so stunned that guy told me my truck was nice. Like, he didn't have to. What a nice guy. We need more people like that in this world.